Hello, this is Jason from The Best Breakdown. I'm a relatively new YouTuber and I'm always looking for ways to improve my channel. Recently I've upgraded my mic and now I want to upgrade some of my lighting. So this is the Amaran Ray 60C portable studio light. I do unsponsored reviews. I pay for them with my own money. So let's go ahead and unbox this and get it set up and see how it looks. Okay, it comes in a, oops, sorry about that. Comes in a nice case. A little card holder slot here. Definitely feels like a nice quality case. All right, let's see what's inside. Everything's tucked away in there nice and neat. We have some Velcro straps to hold everything together. We have a content diagram here. If you can see that here. All right, looks like we have the light here attached to the cover. We have another nice Velcro strap here. That just kind of snaps out like that. All right, so there's the light. All right, so I don't know if you guys saw that. So this pops out. There's that blue tab down here. That's where it clips in. So to collapse it back down, we just push that tab and it releases it back. All right. And then there's this tab right here, this button. This is what releases the cover. So we got a strap. Have a diffuser. Here we have the handle, and then you have a spot here you can strap in the power bank or a battery that's sold separately. Let's go ahead. How does this attach? That just snaps in. And then there looks like there's a blue button here. I'm guessing that unsnaps it. It does. That makes it actually easier to put it back in too. If you press this in. And this is kind of magnetic. It kind of just snaps right in there. That's kind of nice. Yeah, I like that. The handle is nice and sturdy. This is metal. It feels like some sort of aluminum. The knob is plastic. All right, let's see this in action here. There we go. Power block's on. There's a rubber cover for your power. And you can screw this in here and tighten it down to keep it from coming out. There we go. That's not coming out. This is just rubber, so it stretches, holds it in. And then it's also got a rubber backstop. It kind of keeps it stuck there. So it's definitely not going anywhere. And it looks like we have a nice long power cord here. All right, we're plugged in. And I can't set up the app because I'm actually recording on my phone right now. We're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Double press to turn on. Looks like we have a setup screen. I'm going to choose English. Hit the check. There it is. That's about 20% intensity. I think we can use the dial here. Yep. Oh, there we are. We're cranking it up. That's 100% intensity. So the dial, you can fine tune it, or you can just twist it really fast and it'll just automatically go up to 100%. Same way with the other direction. If I flick it this way, it goes back down to 0. It's very tactile. It definitely feels really nice. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me put it up closer to my mic. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. The color temperature. Same here. We can flick and it'll just go in opposite direction. We have HSI and RGB to change the colors. Let's just go with RGB. Here you can still change the intensity. You can also change red, green, and blue separately. I think in the app it's easier. You can just click a color wheel. Let's just go ahead and do it manually. Let's add some red. I'll just crank it to 100. We'll go to green, take away the green. And then let's just go ahead and take away the blue. So now we have pure red. You can stop it. So if you do that flicking motion, you can hold down and just stop the wheel from spinning. So in a pinch, if you don't have the app on your phone, it seems like you can get around on this little LCD fairly easily. Here's some fan settings. So there's silent and smart. I believe from the reviews that I watch, silent will limit the intensity. I think it limits it to like 10% or something like that. All right, let me go grab a stand. To turn it off, double press. All right, this is a test. It's using a warmer tone. I have it off to my right, and it's about 40% intensity. I did put the diffuser on. You could see it's should be, well, I do have some light coming in this window here. I have should have a nice shadow on this side of my face. We'll go ahead. There's the light set up. And then I also have a diffuser over here. Also, this stand is a product called Newer. It's a C stand, so it will also come out horizontally as well. And then just a correction from earlier. This Velcro that I unboxed was actually for the grid, so you can put that up on over the diffuser if you want as well. All right, thank you for taking the time to unbox and just check out this product with me. Initial thoughts is the case is nice. It seems very portable, has a lot of different options. The intensity can get really bright. I think it'll serve my needs plenty. So yeah, if you like this, if you found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will have more unsponsored videos.